Hi, I'm Fauna from Airwoods. Welcome to our newly built PCR Cleanroom. During the pandemic, people used PCR to quickly diagnose if one person infected coronavirus in a shorter period. And it allows us to protect more people in a shorter cycle time. So follow the camera and take a look with me. Now where we're standing is PCR corridor. All the rooms share the same corridor. The first room is reagent preparation room. The second room is sample preparation room. Normally, sample will be contained in glasses or plastic vessel. And the third room is amplification room. Finally, we will get results from analysis room.
The PCR lab is the critical place where the virus samples will get in and get out frequently each day. In order to protect our staff and the equipment and to avoid any airborne contamination, the supply air and exhaust air in this HVAC system should be completely separate. That means 100% fresh air and 100% exhaust air applied in this PCR lab. On top of me, this is the air diffuser with HEPA filter. The airflow here is 500 cubic meters per hour. And over here, this is the return air barrier. As we all know, the filter is to screen the particulates and make the air cleaner. The complete structure of HVAC system for PCR lab are the AHU here inside, plus the air ductings and another condensing unit on the rooftop that we will cover later on. The condensing units at here are to provide cooling and heating source to AHU inside. The fresh air are going to be treated by filtering, heating and cooling, and then sent through the air ductings all the way down to the PCR lab. In a word, the HVAC system is to maintain the PCR lab, the temperature and humidity at a constant level. The entire PCR cleanroom here is built for ISO 8 cleanliness class. And for temperature, all the rooms are normally kept between 20 to 26 centigrade. And for relative humidity, the PCR lab rooms are normally kept between 35% to 60%. In terms of the room differential pressure, the reagent preparation room and sample preparation room are kept between 10 to 15 bar of positive pressure. And for amplification room and analysis room, they are kept between 10 to 5 of negative pressure. Speaking of the indoor air differential pressure, the bathroom air here is normally kept at 10 bar of positive pressure. This buffer area is to maintain the air balance between the neighbor two rooms. Just now, Fauna and I have introduced the details about PCR lab with all of you, and now I would like to make a conclusion with you. How to build a PCR cleanroom. First, we need to have suitable construction materials such as the aluminum profiles and sandwich panels and more. Second is the HVAC system, the fresh air from the outside to be treated by the filtering, heating and cooling coil, and then sent by the air diffuser and air ducting all the way through to each room in the PCR lab here. And at last, you want the job to be handled by people who have a lot of experience, just like us at Airwoods.
We provide cleanroom and HVAC turnkey service to our customers from all over the world. Our service range from project planning, project designing, machine recommendation, material procurement, and project site installation and commissioning, and then hand over to our customer.
So, thank you for watching. See you next time.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.